how to turn off YouTube watch history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to turn off your YouTube watch history? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your YouTube app and then go to your profile on the bottom right corner and gear icon on the top right. So this will open up your settings. So go to your data in YouTube and then scroll down and you can see YouTube watch history. Just tap on it and then you can see the turn off option. Just tap on it and then you can tap on pause. So, pausing YouTube history may limit or disable more personalized experiences across Google services, and you may also get recommendation for videos you have already watched, but this will be paused. So, just tap on pause, and now your YouTube watch history has been turned off. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.